Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video we will solve the problem split two string to make palindrome. So pause the video and read the problem statement yourself. So the problem is given two string A and B, and we can split the string A as two part like A prefix plus A suffix, and B as also same as B prefix plus B suffix at the same index, and the split is put at on the same index. If I be put on I A, then the same place on the B. Then we will form two string A prefix plus B suffix and B prefix plus A suffix. Then we need to check if any one of them is a palindromic string or not. If any one of them palindromic string or not. So this is the problem and we have to do that. So first brute force solution should come to in your mind. We can start putting this split like first over here at, so by if we put it over here, so this will become empty string plus the remaining part of A, B, D, E, F, and then next we can try this one and this one, this place. So we will try all the possible places, cut at all the possible places and check if this any of these two string is forming a palindrome by using simple palindrome check. So palindromic string is a read from both end is same. So if I want to check if V A is palindrome or not, so I can check the characters from starting and end. If same, then I will increase this pointer and decrease this pointer, and this will we will do until this cross the, like if I say left pointer is L is less than the R and the character is matching. If any point of time the character is not same, we will break and say if it is not palindrome. So this is the straightforward. Try to implement first yourself the brute force solution. Pause the video. So over here I implemented this code and tried it, and it got timeout as expected because the time complexity of this solution, if you see, we are running one for loop for trying all the possible split, then we are checking whether it is palindrome or not using another kind of running O of n here. So this will become O of n square time complexity. So as I explained, this is all the trying, I am trying all the possible split and then checking A prefix plus B suffix, B prefix plus A suffix, if any one of these two string is palindrome or not. If it is, then we will return true. Otherwise, after trying all possible cases we didn't found, then we will return the false. So this is the brute force. So how can we further optimize it? So let's check with the bigger example. So this I took one example. This I found in the timeout case. So here so first let's say if we put at any place somewhere any ith index, then this part is called A prefix and this part remaining part called as a suffix, and this same place we will get the B suffix and same place we will get the here B prefix. So let's say I draw a dot line here. So the two string we need to try. Let's say first we try A plus B. So which means A prefix and B part, B is from the suffix side. So if it is the case, then we will check this place, the character at starting of A should be equal to character at starting end of B, and we will keep going like same as the palindromic is palindrome method and keep increasing this pointer left to right until we are matching the character. So let's say P equals to P, V equals to V, H equals to H, M equals to M, and once we reach at this place U, and here we have G. So this is the place where this is getting break. So we can't further continue at here. So first there is a possibility we can put the cut over here, one cut over here or the another cut over here. Why? Because the remaining part here, if I put cut over here, then I need to check the starting from over here just next from in the B string, this should compare from here than in the B string itself. So this, or second case can be the cut is here, so we have to continue this mapping this from A and A from over here. So this character, so We will try first, let's say B. So G is matching with G, then V matching with B, and E matching with E, and so on. If we try all, this is matching all the characters, which means once we break the condition, we found that the left pointer greater than equal to R. This implies that we found a palindromic string. Similarly, the other case we need to try with this. If this is not palindrome, then we will use the OR condition and try this case as well. So one of these case is starting like taking A as a prefix and B suffix. Same we need to repeat, taking B as a prefix and A as a suffix. So this is the key idea, like basically merging the split and the is palindrome step together, and this is the solution will come in O of n, as we are scanning just once the string, like going through it. So let us start the implementation. So for the implementation, so first we will check, we will write a helper like check method. So let's say private, it will be a return boolean, and let's call it check. So it will get the string A and string V. So this method we will write the definition. Before that, we will return from call this method from our main method. So for check, we need to call first for try A as a prefix and B as a suffix, or also try the other case like reverse this string V as A. So this is the case, both case we will try and return. Now in our check method, we will start two pointer like int L is equals to from the left side of 0, and the R is from the V dot length minus 1. So from the end of the string. So once we started, we will run this until L is less than R and the characters in A caret L is equals to B caret R. So this is the case, and if we find this is continue, we increment the L pointer L plus plus and R minus minus, and here we will check if like this is we found a straightforward palindrome. So we will check if L greater than R, which means we found the palindrome, we will return here true. Otherwise, like the case as we discussed, it got breaked over here and still we left the L is not greater than R. So in that case, we will try the take the string, we will call the another method, let's say is palindrome. We will write it in palindrome for the, so we have to try both the cases like a string A substring from L to R plus 1 by the substring method don't consider the last one. So but we have to take the all the index. So if you see over here, once we break here, so we need to take from G to this place and our R will be here. So we need to take this, consider this character as well. So we are taking, that's the reason taking the R plus 1. And now we have to try the other case as well, if this is the palindrome or the other is from the B, so string B. So this is the case we have to try both the cases. So once we done here, we will write the definition of our palindrome method. So private boolean is palindrome, this will get a string only. So is palindrome will get the string S, and here we will also again define L is equal to 0 and R is equal to S dot length plus 1, and then we will do the same thing basically L plus plus. So this will be the condition over here, and we will return here if L greater than equals to R, which means it is a palindrome. So this is the simplest implementation. So let's compile the code and see if it is working. So there is a compilation error because I use the string A, it is should be S not the A, and also because of the copy paste that issue came. So let's try and see if it is working. So it is working for the first test case. Let's try other test cases here and try the case which is not palindromic string. So let's compile these custom test cases and see if it is working. There is a typo in the pasting the test case. So our custom test case is working. Now we are confident, and let's submit the code and see. And it is accepted, and the runtime is 100% faster. So now the time complexity, if you see, we are just continuously going through the string. So as we started from here, we are keep going using the 2 pointer until we match. Then we took this 2 part. So maximum we are iterating all the character 2 times. So this way O of 2n, which is nothing but O of n. And the space complexity is constant as we are using just variables. So if you like my solution, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and share in your friends and colleagues. Thanks for watching.